Man, I'm gonna make this intro real quick, man. I do music. My name is BandLab, man. Look me up on all platforms. Search me up on Google, man. I'm an artist, man. I'm young and I just wanna have fun, man. I use BandLab to mix my songs. Do it in my room with no enclosed space, man. I have fun with it, dog. Don't listen to these people that say you need a studio. You don't need it, man. I'm telling you. These presets, man, we just gonna teach you how to make a whole song on BandLab, dog. Without a studio, for free. Yeah, grind, bro. Without further ado, subscribe, bro, if you want to. Let's go ahead and teach you how to make a professional song on BandLab. Let's get it. Hey, so peep gang, bro, I'm finna do this without any cuts, none of that. I'm not cutting none of this out, bro, so this is all raw and uncut, but we gonna make this quick, because I ain't even trying to waste your time, man. I'm trying to get you what you came here for. So, Beam, make sure that you have a real nice beat. Don't have no troll beat, man. If you're trying to really make this song professional, bro, get a beat that actually sound good. And even if it don't sound good, if it sound good to you, man, and you feel like you can vibe to your own genre, use that beat, you feel me? After that, I'm going to show you the presets, bro. Now, with this preset, bro, the words, the sounds what's in it, bro, it's going to sound very distorted, bro. But you going to make it work, trust. And I think it only happens on microphones cause I got a $100 Yeti little nano mic. But if you use your phone with just headphones plugged in, that's gonna work too, bro. So the first thing we got is Diggy Comp, you know what I'm saying? It got yeah, bro, I don't know nothing about this stuff, but you know what I'm saying? Just copy all this right here. You know what I'm saying? So Beam. Now we got the Space Maker, man. Yeah. Get all the Space Maker, you feel me? Beam. That's everything on Space Maker. What is this? EQ3M. Got the lows, mid, highs, mid sweep. Get all that right there. Got the studio reverb, man. Make sure you get the studio reverb. That's very important. Then we got the noise gate, man. That way you won't hear the little in the background, man. You might hear somebody flying in the background. Might hear an airplane, helicopter, and all type of stuff. So yeah, make sure you get that. Then Beam. Last thing, delay. Get all this, bro. This is very important too. This comes with your voice, man, little delay in the background, I don't know. But listen, get all that. Once you get the presets put in and your beat put in, now you will make your music. So get you some lines up, and you could just scat on the beat first just to feel the vibe of the beat like I did. And so let me give y'all a little sample of what I did, right? So make sure when you get your tracks in, make sure you duplicate them, bro. And have the volume mixed up a little bit. You see how the volume a little lower on that one. Make sure you duplicate the tracks. Have the volume a little higher than I had mine. I tried to make this sound as good as possible. But at the same time, I ain't want to sound too distorted. So Beam, let me go ahead and let y'all get a little sample of this, man, so y'all know I ain't capping. What's your mind? Man, I said nigga lost. See, man, I said nigga lost. Man, I said nigga lost. They say that nigga play a piece lost and his mind gone. How the nigga still alright without the styrofoam? How he spinning the clock trying to see what time he on, and how the boy run the towns and they really started wrong. And how the nigga make them girls cheat. And tell me why this nigga can rap on every type of beat, adapt to every flow. Ain't nothing nobody knows. A nigga trick up on that boy, he gon' take them where they supposed to go. Yeah, at where they supposed to be. This ain't no joke, you see, I keep it pushing even when I'm down, nobody notice me. The rest is for you to check out, bro. Check it out. Play a piece lost on YouTube, man. I got a little music channel. You check it out, bro. You check it out yourself. If you like what you hear, check it out. I also made a single last night, bro, and you go listen to that too. So basically, you see how that sound, right? It sound real smooth. Make sure you had them lines on point, bro. Make sure you had the lines on point. Now after that, after you have everything aligned with the presets and everything that you want on the track, Beam, you actually good after this. Unless you want to add ad-libs. I ain't the type of dude to use ad-libs. I ain't even the one to punch in. But if you want to punch in, bro, whatever you could do. My voice is deeper, so when I punch in, bro, it's going to sound like a punch in. Like you going to hear me going from boom to boom. Like you going to hear that. And with high softwares, bro, you ain't going to be able to hear that. You going to be able to mix it together. It's going to sound like you saying it all in one take. Which is cool, bro, because I ain't complaining. I like on the line, it'll be like this right here. Don't take them where they supposed to go. Yeah. Like right there, I talked over that part right there to make it, you know what I'm saying, just fade into the next one. But y'all get what I'm saying, bro. This joint is fire. But look, after you get all that done, Bean, you save your project, get about that mug, you know, hit the refresh band that mug into the jump pop up. Bro, I'm getting a drop. Look, you edit the mastering. What's your mind? Universal will be the best mastering choice for you. Fire, bro, is gonna be a bunch of bass tape. I don't even remember using tape, but clarity is like what is called a compressor, man. So it's like in some parts it's gonna sound like it's compressed down. So man, Universal, you can just hear all this stuff uncut, bro. But yeah, man, that's how you make a song.